Papa, look what I have here. I want to break it open and see if I have enough money inside here for my clearance fee. Hopefully I do. Papa, see you, Legba. Hey, Papa! The gods have smiled on us. See, Papa, Papa, look at this. Papa, I am not particularly sure how much we have here, but I have a feeling it's above 30,000 naira. Papa, look at all this money. Papa, Papa, see. Papa, what's wrong? Papa! Please, don't do this now. Not today. Papa, not today. Not now. Please. Papa!
So sorry for keeping you waiting. It's so bad. Your father has CKD.
Sorry, doctors, what does CKD mean?
That means chronic kidney disease.
Okay. Doctor, please tell me he's not going to die. Please.
Mr. Obiajulu, I have to be very, very honest with you. Your father needs an urgent kidney transplant.
Wow, kidney transplant? That sounds really expensive. How am I going to be able to raise the money for a kidney transplant?
I think you have to run around your relatives.
Relatives, doctor. I don't have any relatives that I can ask for money, especially not enough money to go overseas for a kidney transplant.
No. You don't need to go to overseas for that. I'll refer you to a hospital in Ibadan, where it will save you a lot of cost. Okay?
Doctor, I know you've done a lot for us, but please, is there any way you can help us? Please.
I would have loved to, but I'm sorry. But I'll contact my colleagues in Ibadan. That's when you have been able to raise some reasonable amount of money.
I'm finished.
I'm sorry. I'm really, really very sorry.
So, what did the doctor say?
The doctor said that he has a chronic kidney disease. And he's in urgent need of a kidney transplant.
Huh? Chronic kidney? Here. Where did that one come from again now? Eh? Obim, that will cost a lot of money.
I just don't know what to do right now. I'm confused. My head is spinning.
It's okay. It's okay. Take it easy, okay? Everything will be fine.
Madam, I will give you 50,000 naira for everything.
Hey, bros. You try, but 50,000 naira is too small. It's not good enough at all. See, this motorcycle, this motorcycle, we bought it last year. We've not even used it for up to a year. The engine is still very sound, it is in good condition. This wheelbarrow too, very strong. We still use it to carry things. This roofing sheet is new. I've not even used it. Wanted to use it for the house, but as you can see, we need money. I've not even used it or touched it at all. Okay, I'll just round it up for you. Pay me 100,000 naira, please.
Look at the wheelbarrow. One of the wheelbarrow hand is not good. Okay, I will give you everything, 70,000 naira.
Hey, bros, now this wheelbarrow hand that you're talking about, it's just a small welder's work. It's a small thing, just that I've not had the time. Okay, because it's you, just give me 80,000 naira, please.
No, 70,000 naira, final price. Take it. This is the money. Let me call one of my guys. Huh? Thank you.
From that farm to
Yes, all the way.
to the other tree down there.
Yeah, that one.
No,
that one.
not this one.
The other one there.
Okay. I hope this place is genuine.
Oh, yeah. Yes, it is. It is very genuine, Chief. I wouldn't bring you to a land that isn't. My father owns this plot of land.
Are you sure you're not selling this land behind your father?
No, Chief. I can't do such a thing. The simple truth is, my father is very sick and in the hospital, and I'm trying to raise money for his heart surgery in Ibadan.
It's not even in sight. Okay. I will pay 400,000.
You tried, Chief, but you and I know that this plot of land is worth more than 400,000 naira. Okay, please, Chief. Just pay 500,000, at least, for the sake of my sick father.
Okay. I will give you 500,000 because of your sick father.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Come with me to the car.
Thank you, sir. So I was able to realize
What happened to you?
we're going to Ibadan first thing tomorrow morning.
You donated one of your kidneys to save my life. You are a brave man, son. I'm proud of you.
Papa, you're not angry that I sold the land?
No. You took the right decision, though that leaves us with just a plot of land. But for this, I will never live to watch anything take your happiness away.
Yes. Thank you, Papa.
I should be the one thanking you. God will bless you for me.
Amen, Papa.
I even put Dikeh, so it is genuine and safe.
Nah, I don't like this land. I don't like this place.
Eh? It belongs to me. I inherited it from my father.
I know you inherited it from your father, but I don't just like it.
Is it because of the price?
No.
Wait a minute. If it is because of the price, I'm ready to give you a discount.
Nah. Are you going?
Please, you can't do this to me. My son. His clearance.
Welcome.
Go and get me some water to drink.
All right, Papa. Yes, sir. Papa, I hope it went well.
No. Ezionwuzia said he wouldn't buy again.
Why?
He did not tell me why.
Oh my God. Why me now, Papa? Why me?
Well, son, there is still hope. Onwa said he will buy the place, but he's pricing it for 200,000 naira.
No, Papa. It's too poor. No, we can't. I'd rather sit down at home than sell that plot of land for 200,000 naira.
God forbid you sitting down at home because of money than selling that plot of land. I'd rather sell that plot of land for 100,000 naira instead of watching you sit down at the house and while your mate go for their youth service. No.
Papa, we have to think about this. We really have to think about this.
Yes, I have thought about it. I know you get good job and you buy more plots of land in the future. I've thought about it.
Are you hungry? Should I get your food for you here?
No. I'm not hungry at all. Obiajulu. What are you still doing outside this time of the night? I know you want to go back to school for your clearance. I told you Onwa will buy the land. So don't worry. You'll go for your clearance.
Papa, I'm worried. What if that doesn't happen? What if Onwa changes his mind just like Ewuzie did? What happens to me then? No hope of me going for service with my mates.
I know you want to go for your service with your mates. I will never live to watch that happen to you. I will do everything possible for you to go for your service. So let's go inside.
What are you doing with all this firewood?
I want to sell them.
Since when did you start selling firewood?
We need money. There is not a single kobo left in this house.
Wait. You need money, so you want to sell firewood. Has it got it?
It's worse than you think. Trust me.
Don't worry, eh? God will provide.
Yes, God will provide. But God helps those who help themselves. You need to set the wheel in motion, then God will perfect it. That's how it's done.
You're right. Why didn't you come to the house last night? My mother was expecting you. She made a very delicious soup. You missed. Why didn't you come?
I'm sorry. I totally forgot that she asked me to come. My head was full. But I will come tonight, I promise.
Okay. Where's Papa?
He went to see Onwa. Onwa wants to buy our land.
Which land?
The one by the market junction.
I thought you said that was the only land left. So why would Papa want to sell the land?
That's the only place we can raise money from. That's the only way we can raise money.
Really, you people should think before doing things. I mean, that's the only land. You said it's the only land. Why would you? Really, you just have to think. You need to talk to Papa. Is there food in the house?
There's abacha in the kitchen.
Okay.
Welcome. Want to get you something to drink? Water. Papa, you look worried. What is the matter? Onwa is no longer interested in the land too.
Even when I told him to pay 150,000 naira.
It's alright, Papa. It's okay. You have tried. Eh? Don't let this bother you. Come, let's go inside. Let me give you something to eat. Let's go. Let's go. What is this nonsense now? Who is this? Stop this, please. Whoever this is, I'm not in the mood for this right now.
Obi. Keyo. Ogini.
Okay, just leave me and my many problems. I do not want to bother you.
Mba. You are not bothering me. It is me, Nkem. What is it? Ogini, I'm listening. Tell me.
My clearance fee.
But I thought your father wanted to raise money from the land you were supposed to sell. What happened?
Yes, but I just don't understand what is going on. All of a sudden, no one is interested in buying the land any longer. Just like that. It's as if the devil has remembered me for no reason. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's obvious I'm not going to serve with my mates this year.
My man will serve with his mates. You cannot remain in this village while your mate goes for service. It's not possible. You will serve with your mates.
You don't understand, Dikeh. I need to get to school and do my clearance before it is too late.
Obin, trust me, I understand. I do. So is that all that is bothering you?
What do you mean by is that all that is bothering me? How am I supposed to raise the money?
So how much are we talking about?
At least, I don't know, at least 90,000 should be able to take care of everything.
Okay, just 90,000. Don't worry, I'll give you half of the money, okay?
Where are you going to get that kind of money from?
Don't worry, don't bother where I'll get the money from.
I will bother where you get it from. Don't tell me you started following all these Okada boys in this village. Nkem. Look, it is not funny. It is not.
Obin, listen, I've been saving.
You've been saving? Where are you getting the money you're saving from? Because I know that you don't have a shop, you don't have any business. Where are you getting it from?
You know my father gives me monthly allowance since I was 18. Yes, I've been saving it. Yes.
Oh. And you want to give it to me?
Yes, Obin. I want to give it to you. Obin, your happiness means a lot to me. I can't sit and watch my man being unhappy. It's not possible.
Kim, you've done so much for me. I don't even know how I can ever repay you. You've done too much. I mean, I can still vividly remember when I was going back to school some time ago and you gave me foodstuff, provision, you even gave me 10,000.
Obin, I am not doing this for you. I am doing it for us. Yes, us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I just hope you won't leave me after your graduation.
You know you abuse me and hurt me when you say words like these.
I've seen it happen before.
Nkem. Nkem. Nkem.
Okay, sorry. Sorry. I take back my words. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Forever love, my
Okay, now let me help you.
No. Wait, leave it now. I'm almost done.
If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever, my love. If I saw if I saw family, our love is unbreakable, my love.
Okay. Is everything all right?
Bobby, I want to see you inside.
What?
Bobby, I said I want to see you inside.
Kim, what is wrong? Kim, what is the matter? Talk to me. Kim. What? What?
Your money?
Kim? Kim, wait! Wait! Kim?
What is going on? Children of nowadays, let God knows what is happening in their mind.
If I saw our family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love. We will be together forever. If I saw our family,
What's wrong with you? Why all the drama? What?
Okay. I just wanted to bring you out to clear your head.
Okay. You scared me.
I'm sorry.
How much is in here?
95,000 naira.
What? 95,000 naira.
Well, I checked my savings box and I realized I had 107,000 naira.
Okay, why are you doing this? Why?
Obin, you annoy me when you ask me such questions. I love you, Obin. I love you so much. I'm doing this for us. Us. I told you earlier.
I don't know how to repay you for all this.
You want to know how you can repay me?
I can never repay you enough. That's the truth.
I want you to repay me now.
Huh?
Yes.
How?
Come here. Come. Come, let me hold you in my hands. Come. Oh, I missed this. I missed the smell of your sweat. Obim, hold me tight. Hold me tight, Obim. Oh. Hold me tight. Oh.
Forever love you, my forever love you. We will be together forever, my love you. If I saw the far baby, if I saw the far baby, our love is unbreakable, my love you.
That's it.
Ow!
Okay, what is it?
Something into my eye.
Wait, chill. Okay.
I think it's out.
It's out, eh? But wait. What? Obim, why are you even in a hurry to go home? I want to stay a little longer with you.
I know, but not here now. Not in the bush, definitely. Besides, my father will be worried by now. It's getting late. I need to go and make his dinner. Please.
Okay. When are we going to do it?
Do what?
When are we going to make love?
Kim, we don't need that now. Okay? At least not until my youth service is over.
Robin, can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? What has making love got to do with your youth service?
Everything. I mean, anything could happen. You could get pregnant.
And what is wrong in me getting pregnant for a man I love?
Everything is wrong with it. We are not married.
And then you and your father should come and see my parents. I mean, I'm tired of holding on. I'm tired.
We will. We will. When the time is right. Okay? Nkem? Nkem? Come here! What is wrong with you today now? You're behaving strange. What's the matter?
Obim, can't you see? Can't you understand? I'm a woman. And I have feelings.
Nkem, I will only touch you on our wedding night. Nkem. 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 Papa, good evening, sir.
It seems it was not late where we are coming from.
I'm sorry, Papa. This Nkem, she was acting strangely and I had to settle issues with her.
Is she alright?
Yes, she's fine, Papa. Papa, I have good news.
Go inside and get me something to eat. I'm tired and hungry.
Okay, Papa.
You cannot see the clear handwriting on the wall, eh? What makes you think a handsome young boy like Obiajulu, eh? After seeing all those beautiful girls in the university, would stoop so low, eh? To touch a village girl like you? My sister, eh? You are just a side woman. The woman he uses to while away time in the village.
Eh? Choma, what kind of talk is this now? Eh? What kind of talk is this? Hey, hold it. I did not tell you this for you to condemn your Obiajulu. So are you trying to tell me that my Obiajulu, my old beam does not have feelings for me? Is that what you are trying to say? Sty? Eh?
Nkem, take a good look at yourself. Eh? Look at yourself. You are not just his type at all. Huh? You are not his type. What will he be doing with you? Eh?
Choma, stop this. Stop this. Are you trying to say? Wait, I just hope this thing you're saying is not true.
Okay. I'm your sister and your best friend. Eh? I cannot deceive you. I cannot lie to you. Well, I have said my own. I've just told you the truth. I have to be going.
Okay. Good night, eh? I will see you. No. Obiajulu cannot do this to me. No.
Sit down. We need to talk. I have sold the land.
Really?
Yes.
How much did you sell it for?
100,000 naira.
No, Papa, that's too little. That's too little.
But in the circumstance, I have no option. You have to go to school for your clearance.
No, Papa. And Kem just gave me the money this evening.
Yeah, she did?
Yes. Papa, what do we do now? You return the money, right? We have to return the money. It's small.
No, Obiajulu. I don't want to make trouble. All documents have been signed. Where did she get the money?
She said that she has been saving her allowances for a long time, since she was 18 years old.
That's great. God will bless that girl for me.
God will bless You too, Papa. You have done so much for me. You and Nkem. I don't think I can ever repay you in this lifetime.
You are not the one to repay us. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me in life. I'm always proud of you.
Thank you, Papa.
Do you really love her?
Yes, Papa.
In that case, we have to take wine to her mother. We have to go and pay her bride price.
Papa, isn't it too soon?
No. You call it formality. That formality will fortify the respect and relationship between her family and our family. Once we pay the bride price, she becomes yours.
Papa, it's a good idea, but shouldn't we wait till I'm, done with school completely, graduated?
I have thought about it, but then, you are my only son. Not just be my only son, but my only child.
Okay, I totally understand. I understand. Why don't we go there on Saturday and then I can go back to school on Sunday?
That would be good.
Obiajulu, come out here. Come out here. Obiajulu, we need to talk. Obiajulu, we need to talk.
Come here. What, Nkem, what is the problem? What is wrong with you?
So you refuse to touch me because you think I'm a village girl, Kuya?
What?
You think I don't know you are seeing those your school girls, right? Obiajulu, I am not a fool. I am not a fool. What's funny? Oh, you think this is funny?
No.
What is...
Papa, who is here with you? Papa is Nkem.
You say it here.
Behave yourself. Behave. Nkem,
Papa.
why are you looking as if you fought with someone?
No, Papa.
Is your father good?
Yes, Papa. My father is at home.
We are going to see him.
What?
We are going to see your father.
Right now.
Let me get the wife, Papa.
Forever love, my forever love, we will be together forever, my love. If I saw a family, if I saw a family, our love is unbreakable, my love. Forever love, my forever love, we will be together forever, my love. If I saw a family, if I saw a family, our love is unbreakable.
Have you packed your things?
Yes, I have finished packing my things.
Okay. I hope you added the provision I bought for you.
Of course I added the provisions you brought for me. You, what is wrong with you? You want to spoil me? All that provision for just 2 days stay.
Yes, I want to spoil you. I want you to eat and get fat for me.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, I agree. I'll get fat for you.
So where's Papa?
Why is it Papa?
Now that you and Papa have taken drink to see my parents, and now that you have paid my bride price, am I free to ask you to touch me.
Nkem, please don't start again. Don't start
me.
now.
Touch me.
Nkem, Papa is in the house. Just behave yourself, please.
This is not the house, this is the outside.
Nkem. Nkem. What's wrong with you now? You want us to fight before I go? I'm leaving now. Nkem. 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 Be a good girl, okay? Papa, Papa. Papa.
Yes, I can see. Obiajulu.
Papa?
I don't know why I'm having this feeling that you should stay back and go tomorrow.
Well, Papa, I already explained this thing to you. I have to go today so that I can go to the bank first thing tomorrow morning early to pay the clearance fees and then start the clearance process. All that is so that I can finish early and come back maximum 2 days time.
It's alright. Safe journey.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you very much. And you, please take care of yourself for me.
Hey, just be safe.
Be strong.
Don't worry, I'll take care of Papa for you. Papa, I'll take care of you. I'm coming.
Alright. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Like I care. Okay.
Kev, what's wrong now? Let's go.
No.
What is it?
Robin, why don't you go tomorrow? Must you go today?
You have started again. What is wrong with you now? Huh? I made this thing clear to you and you even overheard me telling Papa now. I need to go today so that I can start early tomorrow morning and finish this thing and get back here as soon as possible. Maximum 2 days time.
Okay, 2 days. This is 1, 2. 2 days.
I promise I'll be back in 2 days. All things may go.
Okay, it's just that I'm missing you. I still want you to stay.
Let's go.
I'm gonna miss you. I'll miss you so much. Obin! There you are. Obin, how did you get there? Oh, come here.